Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share something special with all of you, speed enthusiasts and urban mobility fans. The OOTD T10 electric scooter. This is a machine that laughs into the face of steep hills, rough terrain and chaotic city streets. On the paper it's already impressive: a robust 500-watt motor, massive 11-inch off-road wheels, a reliable braking system, exceptional comfort, aggressive styling and impressive range of up to 45 kilometers. And here is the kicker: all this comes at the incredibly affordable price point at the Banggood purchase link below this video. But enough talk, let's dive into the OOTD T10 video review after the intro. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The T10 arrives in a heavy-duty car box with excellent internal protection, and there is a pleasant surprise: the scooter comes partially pre-assembled, saving your valuable time. Inside the package you will find the fast charger for quick power-ups, straightforward quick start assembly guide, a comprehensive OOTD T10 user manual that walks you through every feature with the crystal clarity, a handy accessory pouch containing all necessary tools for final assembly. The setup process is refreshingly simple, and now here we are out in the real world, putting the T10 through the test. Right out of the gate the scooter commands attention. It looks purpose-built for conquering both urban jungles and the off-road adventures with equal confidence. The T10 radiates power and durability without appealing bulky. The design language is decently modern and purposeful, perfectly aligned with today's electric mobility aesthetics. The black chassis, by striking grey accent, give a sporty, almost aggressive character, exactly my style. The scooter's frame is made of reinforced steel with the additional layer of anti-corrosion protection, which guarantees durability and weather resistance. The surfaces are matte black, scratch resistant, while the edges are precisely processed using the CNC technology. The deck of a platform for standing is much as 23 cm wide and 50 cm long, and is coated with the anti-slip silicone layer with the geometric pattern. This detail is not only visually attractive but also functional. It allows for stable standing even with the longer shoe size. The designers also paid attention to the ergonomics of the steering wheel. The bars are wide and slightly curved inward, which allows for a more natural grip and less fatigue in the palm during long rides. In the middle of the steering wheel is a large, legible, truly huge LCD screen, and on the sides are all the control elements. Buttons, knobs, brake levers are positioned intuitively and easily accessible. Considering its size and power, the T10 is surprisingly harmoniously designed. There are no unnecessary elements, nothing sticks out, nothing looks cheap, everything has its purpose, from the massive back metal mudguards that protect against splashes to the hidden cables that are elegantly rounded through the interior of the frame. At the heart of this model is a powerful 500-watt brushless motor, which is a peak reaches even 900 watts of power, which means that can not only handle city driving and daily climbs, but also overcomes inclines for up to 35 degrees without any problems. The drive unit is located in the rear wheel, which additionally contributes to the better weight distribution, a sense of stability and a better control when acceleration. The motor has even 27% higher energy efficiency compared to the competition in this class, which means lower consumption and longer working life. Powering this motor comes from a 48-watt 13-amp-hour lithium battery, which provides a realistic range of up to 45 kilometers depending on the rider's weight, driving style and terrain configuration. The battery is installed inside the frame, which protects it from the weather conditions and mechanical damage. Another big advantage is 3 ampere fast charger, which allows charging from 0 to 100% in just 4 to 5 hours. Forget about waiting for hours, just turn it on the evening and it's ready for the morning commute. Now the braking system also deserves special attention. The T10 uses 140mm mechanical disc brakes with a ventilation disc and metal pads. This system provides reliable and safe braking even in the higher speeds. Dual suspension system ensure comfort and absorption of bumps. At the front and the rear there are reinforced springs with a shock absorber system that successfully neutralize vibrations and bumps from the road. The tires are also impressive. The 11-inch pneumatic tires with a deep off-road profile provide extremely good grip and control even when driving on gravel, wet asphalt, off or even tram tracks. The wide profile and deep channels improve contact with the ground, and the edges are additionally reinforced to prevent cracking when going off the curb. On the steering wheel there is one of the largest screen, illuminate huge LCD display which allows it all important informations at all times. Speed, remaining battery capacity, driving mode, eco, low, high, 3 modes, total distance traveling and signal status. This screen is visible even in direct sunlight thanks to the powerful backlight. Now let's take a detailed look at the handlebars. On the left we are greeted by the several key functionalities. Next to the belt there is a switch for the LCD lights, a simple button that allows you to choose between white and yellow headlights depending on the traffic conditions. The switch for the turn signals or LED direction indicators is also located within the reach of a thumb. Slightly lower is a button for charging the driving mode. On the right side of the handlebar next to the throttle there is a red digital voltmeter, a small LCD screen that constantly displays the current battery voltage. Below it we find the lock in which we insert the key, turn it and we start our scooter for riding. We should not forget about the safety components either. The T10 comes with the front dual 106-degree wide headlights that kill the darkness in front of you. There is also powerful rear light signals with emergency flashing functions during sudden braking, which significantly improves visibility and safety in traffic. And of course, the necessary left and right direction indicators. The functionality is further improved with the patent folding system. One click is enough and the scooter folds in just a few seconds. When folded it fits easily in most trunks and the whole process is faster than classic systems. Riding the OOTD T10 scooter cannot be described otherwise than impressive and powerful. From the first moment you step on the platform you can feel that this vehicle is built for serious riders. The robust construction and generously wide deck immediately inspire confidence. Everything feels solid without unwanted movements or wobbles even with heavy riders. The scooter comes factory locked at 25 km in accordance with the EU laws, which makes it completely legal for use in public city traffic. However, for those who want to experience its full potential, the speed can be temporarily unlocked each time the device is started up. The maximum speed then reaches around 50 to 55 km per hour. But of course this is done at your own risk, because at that speed you enter a high performance zone that is more suitable for experienced riders and conditions outside traffic lines. when unlocked, reveals a completely new nature of the scooter. The feeling of acceleration is truly adrenaline pumping. The moment you turn the throttle is felt instant and your body naturally leans forward. It feels as if the scooter is pulling you strictly to the steering wheel, but without the feeling of insecurity. The handlebars are wide and ergonomic. This contributes to the precise control even at the higher speeds. While driving on a city asphalt, the scooter behaves perfectly. There is no engine noise, no creak, no strange vibrations, and when you come across bumps such as speed bumps, tram tracks, or damaged surfaces, thanks to the double suspension, the ride remains surprisingly smooth. Vibrations in the hands are reduced to the minimum, and the feeling of safety does not decrease at any time. The OOTD T10 is not just another electric scooter, it's a complete solution for personal transportation, blurring the line between practicality and excitement. You get the power, comfort, safety and functionality in one package, which makes it a serious competitor in the world of high-quality e-scooters, but at affordable price in this class. For urban drivers looking for transportation without compromise, this is a great choice. You'll find the official Banggood purchase link in the description below with the discount coupon code, so definitely check it out. Right now there is an incredible promotional offer running, but don't wait too long. These deals won't last forever. Secure your OOTD T10 at a special price while you still can. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest content, and drop the comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you might have. Until the next review, ride smart, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.